BWEEGA nacho NYAMU chi keneta mountain Bongo chi na MWITUNI NTIRIMITI no chiendelete kuinambara KURUTHA BWEEGA nabo kuringana na ugabo bwethere tubukinambara kwegwa BOKIRUTHA omwandiki wetu wa ndeto mwendo wa laibuni nwe tubangirite ribotino.
Nyuma ya kaita kaka ikumambia cia Bongo ciikoretwo NTIRIMITI MWITUNI jwa Mount Kenya riu John Kinoti norane murwamiri omucie jwa NYAMU yole warua nyumo ii ciitite na mbere kubwithia boya MWITUNI yo
as a country with proper forest and all that. So reversing this is one of the most exciting journey we want to take, and MBRCT is a generational project. These Bongos as the first breeding population for us. So in this location is one of the best habitat for Bongo, I guess, in East and Central Africa. And this is a place to be. This is where Bongos used to be. And we've looked at history. The numbers of Bongos in the world that were counted in 50 years ago, much of the population was in this region. It's obviously because of predation, and a little bit more of communities obviously harvested them without knowing. Hence the reason why the numbers went down. So we are actually in this project participating with the community and everybody else to reverse this story of extinction.
Na we akiaria maikiwato norane abitha munene warwangirwa nyumo cia kithaka rwa lewa ariwa na kwirigira nyumo ii eta na mbere no ciarana na kuongeleka wore itari wita.
Along with other partners here in Kenya and the Rare Species Foundation have been working on for the last 4 to 5 years, and a culmination of a really exciting project for us, a public-private community partnership which is centered around the reintroduction of these incredibly attractive, beautiful antelope, and we're hugely excited to have been part of it as Lewa. No problems, and the animals have been released into their new homes here on the northern slopes of Mount Kenya at about 9,000 foot, prime habitat for for Bongo, and we hope they settle in quickly and start to do what they do best, which is breed and produce more Bongos, so that we can eventually, within the next few years, start to release animals onto the broader Mount Kenya ecosystem to re-establish a healthy population of mountain Bongo here in Mount Kenya.
Nkiripotera Mero TV kuma Bore Mbeta wa Mwende wa Laiboni.